Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Valorant stuck on map screen. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. We have 5 different solutions for Valorant stuck on map screen error. If you want, you can do all of these solutions. Or you can try the solutions one by one. For our first solution, we need to open the folder where Valorant is installed. We open the File Explorer. Click on this PC. We need to find the folder where we installed Valorant. If you haven't changed it, it will probably be in the C folder. After entering the disk, we find the Riot Games folder. Click on Valorant. Click on Live. Here we delete manifest text files. Don't worry, Valorant will reinstall these files. This was the first solution. Let's go to the second solution. For our second solution, Valorant needs to be on. Open the Task Manager. Here, we will give priority to Valorant in the power usage of our computer. Here we see the applications that are running on our computer. Click on the little icon to the left of Valorant. Right-click on Valorant and click Go to Details. In the section that opens, right-click on the service that says Valorant Win64 Shipping and click on the Set Priority to High or Above Normal. It will be enough to choose Above Normal to avoid any problems. Then click Change Priority. Now, our computer will give priority to Valorant while Valorant is running. In this way, we will not have to wait long on the map loading screen. This was the second solution. Our third solution is to limit the FPS until we enter the game. To do this, we go into the settings. Click on Video. Here we set the max FPS always to 20 or 30. Then we set the limit FPS always to On. This is how it will be open when entering the game. But after the game is opened, we will make this place off. It will be like this. After making the settings, we enter the game. After entering the game, we press ESC. Click on Video. We're setting the limit FPS always off. This feature will be turned on while we are in queue, and we will turn it off when we enter the game. This solution will work if the error is caused by FPS. Our fourth solution will work if the problem is caused by the server. In this solution, we need to change the server we selected when entering the game. You can choose one of the servers that you get the least ping from. Some users on Reddit solved the problem in this way. If you get the error because of the server, this solution will work. Our fifth solution is to delete and reinstall Vanguard, Valorant's anti-cheat program. For this solution, Valorant does not need to be open. So we can turn it off. This is a general solution to errors in Valorant. To delete Vanguard, we type Control Panel in the search section. Click on the application that comes up. In the window that opens, click Uninstall a program under Programs. We scroll down. We find Riot Vanguard. Right-click on Riot Vanguard and click Uninstall. We say yes to the pop-up window. And click Yes. This will remove Vanguard. When I refresh the page, we see that it is deleted. Then we enter Valorant. Valorant will reinstall Vanguard. As you can see, the Riot Vanguard is installing now, waiting for the download to finish. After the download is finished, we close Valorant. After that we restart our computer. In this way, we have solved the problem. And this was our fifth and final solution. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.